We're back. We live. We talking about it. Continuing on with this whole situation with young Dolph and the case. So they went to court about 9 days ago, and the judge told them, they gave them an extension. You don't have a lawyer. The defendants claim that they didn't have enough time to get a lawyer, right? You could ask for an extension, like it's called a continuous to be exact. So they got that. They're back in court 9 or so days later. Right here on the post, it says 2 men accused of young Dolph could reveal legal representation today. We're going to talk about what actually went down. We're live. People need to get notified, but this is content. So let me play a 30-second promo, the intro. Hit the thumbs up button and share this video too, please. And if you don't want to watch the intro, just skip 30 seconds. Hey, what's up? It's your boy Diddy, and you're watching DJDELZ.
Boy, Young Jizzle, nigga, y'all know what it is, man. DJDELZ.
Peace, man. What's up, y'all? This is Common, and right now you checking out DJDELZ. Stay in tune with him, all right?
DJDELZ, absolutely wonderful.
What it do, what it does, the kid, Mr. R.I.P. himself, low soul, case you ain't know so, rocking with DJDELZ.
And with it, y'all, it's your boy, Neighborhood Nip. Big shout out to my homeboy, DJDELZ. No question, Neighborhood Nip.
DELZ, Red, man, I'm in the building. Let's get it.
All right, so let's get into this shit, right? So basically, for people that are just walking in here, they had about 9 days to get a lawyer. They got a continuous when it comes down to their first court appearance together. What went down today? Let me show you what went down. This is reported by Jeremy Pierre, Fox 13. Follow him at Jeremy Pierre Fox. Okay, if you are checking this out. We always got to give credit where credit's due. So this is now on Twitter, them rolling into the court. Jeremy reports young Dolph accusers Justin Johnson and Cornelius Smith requested the judge give them one more week to allow their families to finalize agreements on lawyers to represent them. Judge Coffey set next Friday as the hard, all capital letters, hard deadline, or they will be appointed a defendant. What's going on here? What do you guys think is going on here? That's the question. Are they delaying? Do they not have the mozzarella, the guap, the cheese, the cheddar for the appropriate lawyer for their case? Because you need a heavy-hitting lawyer. You can't get no $100, $200, $300 piece. You need that that big time lawyer that's charging thousands an hour. You need the Johnny Cochran. They need to resurrect Johnny Cochran. They need to somehow figure out how to resurrect someone like that for a situation like this. Because it seems like they've got a lot on them. We did a video where the DA, I'm pretty sure it was the DA, was saying they have tons of stuff on them. I may be wrong who exactly it was, but we did cover that on the channel and said there's tons of shit that they got on them, or else they wouldn't have taken them in. It just wouldn't have happened. They wouldn't have taken them in, right? And plus, we've been covering the story for a long time. We've been seeing a lot of the stuff unravel, right? What's good, brother? What's good, Tone? It's your Tone. Why don't you battle tonight on the Sneaker Addict? Let me know. Hit me up on social. But yeah, I'm curious to know what you all think about this. Why do they not have a lawyer yet? Are they delaying to try to figure out a game plan? What is the delay? Or do they not have the money? Says, of course, it's a delay. They need that Al Sharpton defense, Cheddar. They need that big money lawyer. Big money lawyer. That guy that everyone knows, walks in there and everyone's like, ooh, they got him or her, because as I said, man, they got a lot on them. It seems to be. This is not factual. Let's make this clear. But it seems like they got a lot of shit on these guys. So only time will tell what the outcome will be when it comes down to this. Does anyone think that these two are innocent, by the way? We always hear innocent until proven guilty. Does anyone think these two guys are innocent? I'm also surprised there hasn't been any more arrests. You know, we heard another name that was dropped. We know about the other guy that got arrested. The other guy that got arrested was, I think, you know, just because he was driving around a straight drop, right? Who's in here? Let's see. Let me know who's in here. Let me know where you repping. Put your area code, your area code where you repping too. I love seeing everyone up in this biatch. I think it's dope, man, how we all could connect like Voltron and just chop it up. Just at, you know, on the phone or at home or at work or wherever the hell you are, at the gym, you know. The Alabama hitter says, good morning, Delz. Thanks for coming on this morning. And yeah, they broke. Ain't nobody taking this case. Well, that's, I think, the thing, my guy. I don't think people want to touch this with a 10-foot pole, right? No one want to mess with this case. Because, I mean, and look, I don't really know how it is with lawyers and all that, but this ain't a real good look after, right? Especially if you catch that L. Because when I look at attorneys and lawyers, it's almost like a sport when they go into the courtroom, right? I mean, I'm not an attorney. I'm not a lawyer. But if I was a lawyer, I'm trying to get W's all day. I'm not trying to lose. So if you lose, that's a bad look for you. Not only out there in the public, but also mentally, right? So attorneys may look at this and say, man, I'm going to lose this shit. It's like playing one-on-one with LeBron James, like for money, for fun, yeah. But if you had to put money up, let's say we were going to play for a few racks against LeBron James, you're not going to play against him because you know you're going to lose. And it's just a badass look for you, right? These guys are going in there, putting in that work, earning their money, earning their reputation to be the mother effing man, these attorneys, or women. So why the hell would any attorney want to take this case? That's the question. Shout out to Milwaukee in the building at 414. Shout out to the 205, man. Shout out to that 313. Now everybody in the 313. I had to do that. I'm sorry. Yeah, I'm a nerd. I know. Straight dropped. Public opinion is driving lawyers with careers ambition away from the case. Okay. Just for publicity, some scumbag lawyers will take this case. Yeah, I feel you, but I don't think that the top dog lawyers are going to take this case. Shout out to Memphis, that 381, man. Salute. Like anyone that has like a name, and shout out to that 813. Oh, we got the numbers shuffled right there. I'll see that. Shout out to Tampa. Yeah, so I don't think any lawyer that has a big name to them is going to want to take this case. You know, there was rumors that this attorney that was rocking with that was rocking with Yo Gotti was going to take the case, but that he said that's not true, and we covered that story too. You can watch that here, right? We did cover that story here. So, you know, and this guy's pretty successful from what it looks like. So who are they going to get? You know, who are they going to get? Do they have the money? Do they really have someone on deck? They're just getting the arrangement set. Because once again, courtesy of Pierre, Mr. Pierre, who does such a wonderful job, Jeremy Pierre, follow him, Jeremy Pierre Fox on Twitter. I love what he does, man. I love his energy too, man. He says, young Dolph accusers Justin Johnson and Cornelius Smith requested the judge to give them one more week to allow their families to finalize agreements on hiring lawyers to represent them. And then Judge Coffey said next Friday as the hard, and it's all cap, deadline, or they will be appointed public defender. And I'm kind of just skipping through reading this. I'm not reading it word for word. I'm paraphrasing kind of. I'll be skipping through shit. Will they have a public defender? People that's watching this on the playback, I want to know your opinions. Leave your comments. Yo, good to see you back. Says they waiting for that bag. They waiting for that money. But where's all that money from when they were doing when he was doing all the music videos, the Gucci, all that shit, all that, man, Louis Vuitton, all that fly shit, Yeezy boots. What's going on there? Because some people saying they broke, some people saying nope. Shout out to Payne in the building, my guy. 414 in the building. I see the 414 is repping heavy this morning here. Delz, have you heard anything about these guys getting that bread bag treatment assaulted? Do you think they are? I have no clue, bro. That's for you guys to let me know. I don't know, brother. I don't know. Let's see. Yeah, I mean, you guys seeing these guys. Well, I don't really see much about Cornelius, so it's not fair for me to talk about him. But we've seen with straight drop, this guy is putting out the image that he's got it all. You know, the dude is raking in the dough, like literally raking in money. You know, some people think he's broke. Do you guys think they're broke or no? Why do you think they don't have a lawyer yet? Are they delaying for reasons of trying to figure out things, a strategy? Do they maybe have someone that they're dealing with already, talking to? They just haven't sealed the deal yet and signed that paperwork just so they can figure things out. Hear what these attorneys got to say. I mean, you can't just grab any attorney for a situation like this. Let's be real. You can't. Ain't no bag. Everyone that wires, anyone involved. Yeah, that is true. And look, I used to do a lot in the music industry back in the days. Not saying I'm old, but you know, in my late teens and my 20s to my 30s, I used to be around a lot of artists, even ones that are really successful right now. I'm not going to name drop who they are, but very, very successful now. And when they first started, a lot of the times would be other people that would be hitting them with the bread, hitting them with the jewels, hitting them with the cars. And I'm not even saying giving it to them like gifts. I'm saying just like, here's the bag of money for the music video. Oh, here's the car. We'll rent this car out so you have the image. So, you know, just because we see all these cars and all this money, it doesn't mean it's their money. Always keep that in mind. You know what I mean? Always keep that in mind. Those guys probably don't have enough legal money. Dude, lawyers are expensive, man. You know, you're talking an hourly rate, and they usually want money up, and they always want money up front, right? So, I mean, a good lawyer is going to want 5, 10, 15, depending on how reputable they are. They're going to want money up front, and then they charge you by the hour, you know? So, you know, y'all gotta that lawyer stuff is a lot of guap. Tiffany Brooks says someone is coaching them. That's not fair to the family. The system is messed up. The whole okay. I respect everyone's opinion in here. Salute. Thank you. I think they have dirty money, so they need someone that can show proof of the income. Yes, that is true. That is true. Because they're gonna ask where the money came from. It's not like you could just buy. You could just not buy, but hire a lawyer, or and them not know where the bread's coming from. That's what that you hit the nail on the head, Dave. Let's see. The retainer fee is a must. Yeah. Yeah. So I mean, that's probably what it comes down to. Even if they have that, let's say they do have like money, if they can't prove where the money came from, then they're shit out of luck. They're screwed. Hit that thumbs up button, by the way. Show that love and support for the channel. Let's get them likes up. Let's run them likes up, baby. Run the likes up. Run them up. And if you watch on the playback, I want to know how you feel about this. Where's your mind at with this whole thing? Like, what do you think? Do you guys think that they don't got the money? Is that it? Are they delaying, trying to come up with a game plan? What do you guys think is the reason for all of this? I really want to know. Is You know, everyone's got their opinion. And I'm always fascinated to hear what the hell y'all got to say. You dig? So let me know. Let's see what's going on here. Let's see what the chat got to say. Okay. 200,000 for a lawyer in this case. I mean, I don't really know. I don't have experience in the courtroom like this. This is some real crazy shit right here. What's with the messages on the mask? Someone was saying that's a designer face mask. I don't know if that's true or not. I really don't know. Someone was telling me. I'm not on that designer shit. I wear, streetwear, Supreme shit like that. I don't wear, the Dior and Gucci and all that. So I don't know. But someone was saying that that's like a designer mask, which basically had just some print on it. Straight to jail. That's what Nighthawk is saying. Let me see what the people are saying as far as the poll, because I did put a poll up. Let's see. So 45 votes. Hit that thumbs up button. We have 101 people in here. Let's get the likes up. We should have way more likes. The likes are low. It makes me say, oh, hell no. It's time to go. Let's see. Why no lawyer, I ask, right? No money, 47% says. They trying to delay, 20% says. And then last but not least, at 33%, who the hell knows? Who the hell effing knows, right? I mean, look, at the end of the day, we ain't God. We don't know who, why, who, when, what. But all I do know, Loud Pack Zach, I think you sent that dono yesterday, bro. Was that you or the other day? I said thank you yesterday, but I'll send you. I'll do a quick promo right now, man. Thank you for that dono, bro. I do appreciate that love, man. That love and support. Whenever people send donos, I like to do these thank you promos. So let's go. Let's go here with it, man. Let's go here. Let's turn up.
Oh, yeah. Yeah. Hey. Stop it. Oh, watch how I do. Boom, boom, boom. What's good?
It's good as Loud Pack Zach. Thank you, man, for that cash app you sent the other day. Appreciate that, bro. I'm pretty sure that was you. You like that, right? Yeah, that was me back in the days when I had hair. I used to dance. They were hating on me at the club, the little bar spot, how to kick them and kick their asses. Bruce Lee used to teach me back in the days. You dig? So, but yeah, man. Let's see what the chat got to say. I'm interested to see what David Lee Williams got to say, because he seems to be very intelligent, which I like. And most of you guys that come here are pretty effing intelligent to be watching this channel to begin with. Also, I think they got big. I think they got a bag for doing what they did, and it's hard for the family to stand with them for what they did. Yeah, I mean, look, if his family, their families are good people with morals, right? Then why the hell are they going to support what the hell they're doing, right? They're going to say, get the fluke out of here. I don't want to have nothing to do with this shit. You're putting my name in the mud. You dig? Right? I think it's unfortunate because these two characters did not. Okay, so he feels that they're innocent, which I respect. Young Dolph was 22 times in the chair. Okay. All right. That's what Virgil got to say. Corey agrees. Okay. So you're on some left field shit right now. And I don't mean that in any disrespectful way. I'm from New York, so you know sometimes when I speak, people outside New York be like, "Oh, he's coming at me." No, this is my way of talking. I'm curious to know how y'all feel about this all, man. Talk to me in the comments. Talk to me in the chat. I want to know how you feel about this story, and dig into this channel. They gone by judgment. Okay, all right. For all you people out here, my peeps that love music, I did an interview not too long ago with one of the producers of DMX's crew, DJ Shock, and he talked about recording the song Slipping and a bunch of other records from DMX, The Locks, and many other artists. Watch that interview right there. That interview is something special. It's really something special. And it's in the description, but it's also in the chat. I think we're going to get up out of here because I really just wanted to cover this. Tonight we'll be on The Sneaker Addict on YouTube at 7 o'clock, I think, or 7:30. We'll be doing this sneaker battle. Hit that like button too, please, guys. We got over 100 people in here. Let's get the likes up, please. Let me see what else is going on in the chat. But yeah, come to the Sneaker Addict later on tonight. Let me see what else people got to say. If the chat keeps moving, I'm grooving, baby. I'll stay. But you know, y'all gotta work with me. Hit them likes. Tiffany Brooks says they can find the Crooked Church in Memphis to put them on. Oh, I don't know what you're talking about there. I don't want to know. Okay. It says drop beat in the case. They don't have physical evidence to prove it. But look, I respect your opinion, right? And I'm not disagreeing with you. But how do you know that how do you know what they have? That's what I want to ask you. How do you know what they have? Because they didn't tell us that. They didn't telling us what they have. Tone disagrees, says you don't have to be I'm just trying not to read all this for the algorithm reason. Okay. Let's see. Not only in the grass there were snakes in the streets. Facts, 100%, man. And things are different now. Heads are snitching, singing. You know, there's no rules in this shit. You know, back in the days there were 80s and even early 90s. There was rules to this shit. Now, heads are singing, snitching, all types of shit. Looking at these dudes and okay. What do you guys think about what Virgil got to say? He got a lot of interesting stuff to say. I mean, I've heard a lot of people say that the cookie shop, they feel, had some kind of involvement with it. This is something we've seen throughout covering this story. Okay, they're debating right here. Tone, not possible, bro. You gotta have steady. Okay. All right. How do you know it's not the first time? I mean, these guys could be, you know, shooting them things off, practicing shooting them things off too. Jennifer says, I agree. Love the dog, Jennifer. Make sure y'all subscribe to the channel and turn the notifications on too. This way, as soon as I do something, you guys get notified. Beth is agreeing with Virgil, I'm pretty sure. Let's see the poll. Let's see the poll one more time. Let's see the poll again. Let's see this poll. Okay, we got 99 votes on the poll. Why no lawyer? No money? 49% says no money. Okay. Next is 27%. They trying to delay. 27% says that. And then 23% says, who the hell knows? Who the hell knows? Who the hell knows? Oh, man. What else they cooking in the cookie shop? Sheesh. You guys are some mother effing detectives in here. We got the internet detectives in full force today. Whoop, whoop. That's the sound of the internet police. All right. Shit. I love it though, man. I love hearing what y'all got to say. I really do. I find it really fascinating, really interesting. For sure. For sure, for sure. But yeah, man, I mean, I'm not going to just sit around and just, just keep recycling the same shit over and over again. But I am entertained by what you got to say. If there's more on this case, we're going to keep covering it. So subscribe. I do have some new teas. Go get yourself some new teas if you want to get fresh to death, like $1,000,000. That's in the chat and in the description. Let's see what Virgil got to say, because I'm fascinated by Virgil, what he got to say. He says it's going to be a lot more personal than people may want to believe. Yeah, I mean, it was close range, but look, a lot of people think it was a hit, right? So if it was a hit, you got to go close range, right? So you know that the job is done, right? If that's the case, right? Or no? That's the way I look at it. It's a wild story. One day there will be a movie or a TV show or a documentary on this. Mark my word, because the story is crazy. I know people that aren't even fans of Young Dolph that are just interested in this story. I used to play Young Dolph when I was in the mixtape game, like for when he first started. And keep in mind, I'm from New York and I'm playing Young Dolph, so you know he's dope. If a New York head is playing some South stuff, and from years and years and years and years ago, Starlito and them, like, it is what it is, man. It's a terrible loss. Definitely bothers me, man. So that's why I covered this story. I don't cover every story. It's also a story I was thinking about covering. We may do that later about Kanye West. And there's reports claiming that he's saying that Kim's new boyfriend allegedly got AIDS or something. He's like saying something like that. There was something on TMZ. Let me see this shit real quick before we go. Yeah. So allegedly, Kanye is allegedly spreading rumors. Let me put the article in the chat if anyone wants to check that out. Always got to give credit where credit's due. But yeah, if you guys want me to cover that story, let me know in the chat, in the chat or on the playback. Maybe we'll do that. But let's get back to this. Oh shit! One more time. Let's get back to that page. Yeah. So yeah, final thoughts with me. I don't know. I have no effing clue. I do think that what Dave said is probably what's going on. Possibly, it's a lot of money to get the appropriate lawyer for this. So where are they going to get that money from? And that money will be tracked. So that's probably the big issue. That's got to be the big issue, So we'll see. Final score on this poll. Let's run it down one more time. Final score, 48% says they have no money. Why they have no lawyer. Let's see. 29% says that they're trying to delay. And 22% says who the hell knows. So we'll see. We'll see what the future holds. I'm DJ Delz. Thanks for tuning in. You could be anywhere in the world. You here with me, and I definitely do appreciate it. Watch more videos here, and we out.
boy Young Jizzle, nigga, y'all know what it is, man. DJ DELZ.
Peace, man. What's up, y'all? This is Confident right now. You checking out DJ DELZ. Stay in tune with him, all right?
DJ DELZ, absolutely wonderful.
What it do, what it does, kid. Mr. R.I.P. himself, low location, ain't no so rocking with DJ DELZ.
And with it, y'all, it's your boy, Neighborhood Nip. Big shout out to my homeboy, DJ DELZ. No question, Neighborhood Nip.
DELZ, Red, man, I'm in the building. Let's get it.